Hold up. I am no horn expert, but something is definitely wrong with that one. KCS 4851's Nathan K5HL is in just a world of trouble. 4851 is in the lead of train 275 as it prepares to depart Leesville, Louisiana. Unbeknownst to me at the time, I had caught 4851 once previously back in October of 2021 in Richmond, Texas. Here's how the horn sounded back in 2021, blowing for the many crossings in Richmond, all of which are now a quiet zone. Anyways, back to Louisiana. We are now positioned at the Holly Grove Road crossing a few miles north out of Leesville. 275 has cleared the town and is now fast approaching. Let's take one last listen to its wretched horn. I hope you enjoyed this video showing a short timeline of one horrible horn. Thank you for watching.